step-by-step guide to updating personal information in BDO online account. First, open the BDO online app on your phone and log in using your username and password. Once you are on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap More. This will open the menu section with more account services. Next, scroll down and look for profile settings, updating profile, or any options related to personal information. Tap it to continue. This is where you can manage your account details inside the app. After that, choose the information you want to update. You may see options like mobile number, email address, home address, or other contact details depending on your account access. Tap the section you want to change. Now enter your new information carefully. For example, you may update your mobile number. Another example is changing your email address. Make sure all details are correct before moving forward. Next, tap Save, Update, or Continue. The app may ask for OTP verification or password confirmation for security purposes. If an OTP is sent, enter the code directly and continue. Then wait for the confirmation message on your screen. Once successful, your updated personal information should now be saved in your BDO online account. If some details cannot be changed inside the app, BDO may ask you to visit a branch or submit additional documents for verification. Just follow the instructions shown.